I think it's essential to recognize that our strength lies in our collective efforts. We should take responsibility for our own actions and work towards creating a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Every family is working towards paving a great way for generations to come. Africa's mineral wealth is great. We should cooperate in its development. We are working together as countries to address the challenges facing our continent. I've been thinking a lot about the future of Africa.